This is Cat Adventures, starring Jackson the cat. Do. Jackson. Now we observe the wild Jackson cat. His gender is male. His diet are lizards, mice, and grass. He spots something. He wonders what it is. He's searching for his prey right now. Jackson? Oh, this is boring. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, Jackson, let's go. Here you go, buddy. Now this is going to be way more interesting. They're not going to that car. Oh no, somebody's coming. They might steal me. What are you doing? What you want? What are they doing? Whatever. You hear dogs? Hey, let's go back to your home, buddy. Nah, let me get you back to your home. Okay, I'll have to end it, guys. See you later. Woo!